Hi all, welcome to Coding World. Today in this lecture we are going to learn about collection. In collection, Scala contains array, list, set and map. So let's start with the array. So create array variable. Array start with the array keyword. So var array first equal to array. In that you can mention the data 2, 3. Scala will automatically find out what type of data you have provided and it will create array for that data type. So I have created array of integer. So we will call it as a array int. It will be easy to understand. So var array of double. So give the data according to that 1.2, 2.3, 3.4. So let me print this data by loading array demo class. So yes, it's showing first array is of integer data type, second array is of double data type. Now you have, if you want to access the data from the array, you can access by index from which is starting from 0. Let's see some examples like what are the methods array provide us. So I will take array int dot. If you press tab, it will list out the methods supported by the array. So if I use is empty, yeah, it is showing false because we have data in array intel. If you want to let's take this plus plus. So if you want to add data in that array, like array int colon plus, I want to add some value like 40 in array int. So it will add the 40 value and it will give the result. So there are many methods available for the array in Scala. You can choose any method and you can test that method. Like let's take length array. Yeah, it will show array has 3 variable. So these types of you can check the array and its method. Now that's for this array because we are not using that too much array in our machine learning program. So we will use list most time, but you can play with other methods like choosing the method from this listed method and check what it gives the result. So let's jump to the our next collection, which is list. In list collection, list start with a list keyword. So I will create one variable which contains our integer values. So int list int, create the list by list keyword. So this is our list. Let's load this list demo Scala class and see the output of list. Yeah. Now you can check some methods from the list also by list int dot. If you press, it will list out all the methods supported by list data type, list collection type. So we will use some methods and we'll check how it works. Like if you check, take tail, then to array, we can use this method in size. In array, if you see, there is a length. In list, it is a size. So first I will check with the size. It will give us 4 because we have 4 integers in given list. So now next to the, we'll check max value from the list. So it will give 4 as a max. Then you can check tail. It will give tail, which will skip the first element and it will give the remaining element. If you check head, it will give us 1. So that's it for the listed collection data type. You can check other data collection, which is a map. So before map, we will check how set works. Set is also same like a list, but which contains only unique values. So let me create one set. So create one set variable, set of integer. If you given duplicate value, it will skip and it will keep unique value. So this is our first set. We'll check that what it will print. Okay. So I will load set demo.scala. Yeah. So if you see here, we are passing 4 as a 2 times, but it is taking 4 as a only once. So it is checking that duplication and avoid the duplication, get and return the unique value set. So that's why it is called as set. So set dot tab, it will list out all the methods which are supported by the set. So if you observe that it is giving immutable set, so you cannot add or remove the value from the set once it is created. You want to create mutable, you can create the mutable by collection.mutable set. So these are the methods which are supported by the set. You can check some methods like same like size. Then you can check is it empty or not. So like this you can create the set and check the methods by using methods from this list. So next collection we will look at which is map. How map works in Scala and how to iterate over the maps using Scala. So let's jump to the maps. So I will create one map variable, map, my map, map map always takes values in key value pair. So first a comma 1, this is my value. Second key value pair we can take as a b comma 2. You can take the value whichever you want. C comma 3. Okay, this is our simple map. Let's load the Scala program and check the what it returns. So I am loading my program. Load map demo, not Scala. Yeah, it's returning key and its value, key and its value. So we can check, like if you want to check the values for my map, you can check my map dot keys, my map dot values. Load the program and check the result. Sorry, not values. So it's keys and values. Load the program and check the output. Maps, it will print set as a keys and map like value as a 1 2 3. So that's it, key as a value. And if you want to do the lookups, you can do simply by passing the index, uh, well, keys our first key is a. So let's check the what it returns. Yeah, it's returning 1. So there are many methods provided by the map. So you can check the check from the list of method maps, and use you can do the some hands-on on that. Like if you check that in my map dot, it gives list of the methods provided by map. Let's check the contents. It will check keys contents or not. Okay, so it will return true because in our map collection we have a b. So that's for that's for the collection, which mainly covers like 4 data collection. One is array, list, set, map. So in our machine learning program we are going to use these 4 collection in our coding. So guys, that this is for the Scala collection. If you like this video and if you like these types of stuff, you can please subscribe my channel and like my videos. Thank you.